Welcome. In today's video, we're going to talk about our podcast functionality. Podcast is used in various type of niches. It can be used, for example, in churches, in radio apps, in podcast apps, in like if you're an influencer, in social networking type of apps, even in e-commerce apps. So I'm going to walk you through the process how to set up a podcast functionality. So let me start from creating a blank app. I'm going to walk you through the process of actually adding the feature and then showing you how exactly it looks like in one of the apps that are previously created. So let's start with this. As you can see, we have our various templates and one of them is podcast. And let's start with a blank app. While we are entering the builder, there's also a support article that walks you through step-by-step guides how to set up your podcast functionality. Okay, so we are in. At the moment, the app is empty, so let's add a podcast feature. You click on Add Screens, type in podcast RSS, and as you can see, there's three different options: content, layout, download. Okay, so to add a podcast, you just copy paste your URL RSS feed link, click continue, wait a bit, and it's gonna pull all the podcasts and episodes that users can watch. From there, you can change between the different layouts. How you want to basically show all your episodes. You want to feature one episode, feature one, have like two, and so on, and also how it's going to look like when the user actually enters each episode. Uh, also additional functionality is download option, so the users can download each episode and listen to the episodes offline, which I'm going to show to you in a preview in a few seconds. Okay, so let me now show you in one of the apps that I previously created how it looks like when you actually add a podcast. So just give me a second to share my screen. Okay, so this is the podcast that we, the same exact link that we previously added. So we decided to feature one podcast on a top, and you can see that all those episodes listed nicely here. Again, you can change between the different layouts. If you want to enter one of the podcasts, you just click on it, and you can click the play button. You can forward it and move it up like for 10 seconds, and you can also since we enabled the download feature, if you click on those three dots on top right corner, if you click, you can share it with the episode directly to somebody, or you can download. Once you download, let's get back. Once you download, you see here you have basically that's the download buttons. That's going to change into like a can that you can basically, if you don't want to have that saved, you can remove it. Okay, so this is how the podcast and how the process of setting up the podcast works. If you have any questions, reach out to us. If you want to reach out to our support team, support@shouten.com, you can go to our support articles. And if you want to add any additional functionality, watch some of our videos on our YouTube. Thank you. Bye for now.